Hello, welcome to this short demonstration on how to do a factory reset on the ACG. Okay, this is prevalent with regards to IT specifically because whilst learning the product you may make one or two mistakes and you just want to go back to a clean slate in essence. Okay, so what we need to do that is tap on this icon here and then tap on settings, and within here you will see backup and reset. And all you do is hit factory data reset. What that will do is that will put it back to as if it's just come out of the box. Okay, that will clear any data that you have on there, any apps that you have on there, and any user accounts that you have on there. Okay, so just to reiterate, just to go back, it's backup and reset, factory reset, and it will prompt you if you know that this is going to erase all of your data. Just click accept and it will reset. It takes about probably 5 minutes. Okay, and then again, get back to the home screen, tap home. That's it.